Hey Moparians, this is Dave here, coming at you on the Moparian channel. Just wanted to show off my new Katzkin leather seats I had installed on my new Scat Pack. This is cardinal red with pearl, and it has the tech stitch, lightning bolt tech stitch in the center. You can get a hex pattern or crosshatch, and there's a few other designs too. Cardinal red, this is one of the combinations that Katzkin suggested on their website. If you type in 2026 Dodge Charger Scat Pack, this is one of the options that will come up, okay? You can customize your own, but I think it's usually a little cheaper if you go with what they suggest. I'm not sure, but I think that might be the case. The cardinal red is kind of a dark red. And it looks, in some light it looks really dark, and in other lights it looks really red. It's kind of a lipstick or a blood red, really, but I think it's very pretty and attractive. And again, you can customize your own if you want. When you decide to do this, like I did it through my dealer. These are Mopar skins, and it's covered under warranty. You want to make sure that the people that your dealer has hired to do this are experienced, preferably a company that specializes in upholstery. Katzkin is not the hardest thing to install, but to make it look really nice, they need to know a little bit about what they're doing. Sometimes there will be some wrinkles. The deal is that you let it break in for about a month, let it sit in the heat. Most of that will work out. If not, you can take it back and have some adjustments made. Also, make sure that your heated seats and ventilated seats are working properly as well when you have this done. Wanted to give you some good pictures, some good video. Again, not a lot of cars have this done, so you don't have much of an opportunity to see Charger Scat Pack 2026 with this installed. Now, there are a number of different colors you can use. I just wanted to show you what I was thinking. Looking at the swatches here that I got from Katzkin, I was focusing on red and white, of course, because these cars come with red and white stitching by default on the door panel, on the console, and the dash, of course. And I felt like this combination matched that color very closely, and I think that's probably why Katzkin suggested it. But there are other options. So this is the cardinal red here. This is the pearl. This is what I have. Now, of course, this cardinal red swatch looks a little bit darker than my actual leather, but maybe it's just the way it looks. This here is salsa red. This is a very popular color, and I thought really hard about this. It's very similar to the red pepper color that Mercedes has, which I had on my AMG previously. Very cool color, very popular right now, something to consider. Then there's standard red. Then there's medium red, which is kind of a very dark red or oxblood. And this is the pearl, the whitest red that they have. Alabaster, which is kind of a grayish white. And then, of course, you have bone, which I think is also very nice. A very kind of an off-white color that also has kind of a luxurious, rich appearance to it. So that's an option to consider as well. But I just wanted to give you an opportunity to see these swatches and give you some insights into my decision process here. Sometimes, you know, you don't get to see these kinds of comparisons online. You may be trying to make the same decision I was trying to make, and I was a little frustrated because I couldn't find these kinds of comparisons. I found some salsa leather videos, I found some cardinal leather videos, and a lot of times they all look very different depending on the lighting and the camera. Sometimes the cardinal red looked really bright, sometimes really dark. Yeah, make sure everything works when you get your car back. But I'm very pleased with it. It smells great. It smells like a brand new shoe store or something. The leather smell is very strong, very high quality, very nice stuff. No complaints there. You know, beautiful leather, and feels good. And you know, I had the leatherette seats that come with the Plus, and you know, the heated seats and the ventilation all works just as well. Okay. But you do want to give it a good test when you have yours installed. That is Katzkin leather seats, my friend, on the 2026 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. Comment, like, or subscribe. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions about my Katzkin leather experience, feel free to ask. This is not the first time I've done Katzkin. I had it on my 2013 Charger many years ago. And that was, I think, a cheaper option through Mopar, because it was, of course, that was a long time ago, but it was a much lower price, but it had some, I think the back seat had some vinyl wrap and then leather inserts. This is all leather here. You can tell just by the smell and the feel of it. But of course, cost a good deal more. Mopar Katzkin leather, guys. Check it out. Comment, like, and subscribe.